everybody, let's glue book. In my multicolored circle glue book, I have not glue booked here. Oh, I have my scissors, my glue, and my cutter parts. I have not cutter parts, but you know what I mean. My scraps and my cutter parts. I'm so happy to be gluing in this book again. I haven't glued in so long in this book. Because this is my random item where I put anything I could get my hands on in this book. And Christmas, that's great because I have a lot of things to glue down for Christmas. Oh my goodness, I put myself on a no buying ban for Christmas ephemera and whatnots. Okay, I can't find my Christmas glue, my magazine images from other years, 2 years or 3 years back. I can't find that. I must have packed it away and put it in storage. I cannot find it. So this is new, and I'm kind of low on images because my son tried to find me some magazines and they just don't have any good image. Or this one book magazine I have is just too pretty to cut up, and the images are too large. But so I'm in a little, deficit for the magazines. And here I'm going to use this tissue box. But anyway, back to what I was going to say. See, anything goes. Anything goes in this book. I like to just glue down any and everything. But what I was saying is I have so much Christmas doodads and whatnots and thingamajigs that I don't need any more Christmas, you know, ephemera or things to glue down. So I really need to get in this book and start gluing things down. I am using my favorite glue to glue this box down, and that's Aileen's. I wish I would have showed it. It's Aileen's. Oh, I'm doing a voiceover because I did not like the vantage points in this. Uh, I'm using a new tripod, not a new one. I borrowed it from a family member, and I just didn't like it. So I'm just fast forwarding it. I was, testing it. I can't even see in the viewfinder because it's so high up. I don't know. Well, anyway, that's why. It's not always I didn't have anything to say. I'm showing you all the boxes I have. It's not that I don't have anything to say. It's just that I was really kind of mad when I trying to set this tripod up, and then I don't like the vantage point. So right here it doesn't look that bad. Maybe it was just that day. The mood. You know how we get moody and don't like stuff. Well, anyway, and he cute. He is just so cute. So he has to go down in this book, in this glue book. He said, "Put me in there. Put me in, coach." So he's going there. So yes, I hope everyone is well and you had a nice Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving was last week, and y'all, this is my favorite glue. Look at that glue. Yeah, I just started using that glue, and it is cold. And you see how it came out? It is nothing but the truth. A-Lanes doesn't cost nothing, but you better hurry up before the prices go up. But A-Lanes, at most, I would at maybe $2 for that. I don't know. I would have to look it up. But I love it. I love that A-Lanes. You see, I just pulled that. It was looking at me on my desk in between some junk. If y'all could see the desk. I craft on. Look, I am all around. I craft on a card table, and I have shelves and stuff in front of me, hanging precariously, not hanging, but sitting precariously on it. And it was between and betwixt some things, so I pulled that. That is actually from the summer. When I was summer glue booking. Yeah, I haven't cleaned it up yet. And I'm gonna be mad come summer when I don't have that. But it's pretty. Doesn't it kind of look like icicles? Yeah, and I'm even madder. I cannot find my uh, Christmas magazines for Christmas. See, I looked over and I pulled that out of something. That's the, oh, I just love glue booking here. I'm the magazine glue booking, when I just glue book with total magazine things, it's fun too. But when I could use all my things, if I see it, I'm gonna glue it down. Nothing to it but to glue it. But oh, I'm telling you, there it is. I just love the damn. Back to A-Lanes. Back to A-Lanes. Keep me focused, y'all. Keep me focused. Back to A-Lanes. That's some good glue. And you see, it's cold and it doesn't jam up. This other expensive glue I will never use again. It is expensive, and when the climate changes, it will clog on you and it will not work anymore. Um, that was supposed to be put in my junk, but this is actually from when the basement flooded, and I had all these beautiful books. That's Halloween. Not Halloween, but autumn stuff, and I put that away. I cut up these books, so I gotta use them because I have a whole lot of them, but I refuse to let these great Disney images go to waste. So I better use them. You look so cute reading that book. But I was gonna say, oh, book buying ban, no Christmas stuff. I have enough Christmas ephemera. Now notice I didn't say buying ban on other stuff. No, and even I'm trying not. I haven't been in a Michaels in a long time, but Michaels, I'm trying not even to look when their $5 paper pads go on sale. I don't even want to care. I don't want to care about it because I went to Michaels when I got those grab boxes, and they had their autumn things on sale. And guess what? I didn't even use that paper pad, and I got that for $5 though. But their Christmas, I saw it, and oh, I got the shakes. I was like, oh, I want some Christmas. But they were full price. Or were they $11? But I think they were full price, and I wasn't paying full price. I'm not paying that, y'all. I'm not paying that. I'm waiting till they go to $5. But this year, I don't need Christmas. I don't need Christmas paper pads or anything like that. So I'm just gonna hold. Yeah, I'm just not gonna do it. I'm just not gonna do it. I even found a bag full of Christmas stuff that when I was making a journal, I was making something, and I found it. So I have a lot to use, and I'm happy. I just don't have a lot of magazine images. But see here, like here, my focal images didn't even come from magazines. It came from the what's that right there? The tissue box and the book that was I refused to throw out. She just because it got a little bit of waterlog. That's okay. It's going in my glue book. Now the funny thing is, it kind of made me a little mad. They're not the snowman. I wish I would have put in it, and I realized that later. The snowman on the other side, on the right side, and him, Donald Duck, on the left, because they're not facing each other. They're doing their own thing. I'm not speaking to you. I'm over here reading. Leave me alone. I'm over here being joyful. Leave me alone. But okay, now that I look at it through the viewfinder, I don't know what I was mad. It's not that bad. It really is not that bad. Oh, y'all, I'm trying to take. This is how I squeeze stuff in. I have hash browns from Trader Joe's down there in the oven, waiting for me to come on down there and eat my breakfast. You want to know what it is? I had made a quiche about a week ago because Trader Joe's doesn't carry my favorite quiche anymore. So I said, "Ah, I know how to make it. Why don't you make it?" And I froze it and portioned it out. And I'm going to have that because it's the weekend. And I just came up here just to hurry up and narrate this right quick. And I forgot. Hopefully when I get downstairs, it's not burnt or crispy. And guess what? I'm still going to eat it. I ain't wasting nothing. But It's I'm gonna have quiche, and yeah, it's weekend. I'm going in quiche and that and the hash brown. Oh, the hash browns are so good. And maybe half of an English muffin with some strawberry jam and a cup of and orange juice and my vitamin. And then I'll come on around there and drink some more coffee. Because you know that's what I do. I drink my coffee, at least 2 cups a day. And you can tell the residual of my morning coffee is still in my veins because I am very talkative and I'm all over the place. Still the same kind of cup of coffee I had from the previous video with that splash. And it's not the same splash because I couldn't find the cardamom and the vanilla. It's the splash of yes, irregular coffee. Oh, that looks cute right there. Now why should we move it? Sometimes when I'm look. I like the other side, but it's not bad right there. Sometimes when I look through the viewfinder, I'm like, wow, why didn't I just leave that? Why didn't you just kill that? Or put it there, put it there, put it there. It looks so better. If you don't have, use what you have, people. Use what you have. You'll be amazed at how much stuff that you have. Just use what you have. All that's from tissue boxes. So if you don't have pattern paper like I do, excuse me, go ahead and use your tissue boxes. Look, see, I stickers galore. I wish I would go up in a Dollar Tree. I do need to go to Dollar Tree, but I'm not going for Christmas. Look, there it is, some more stuff. I love these puffy stickers, but I need to just use up what I have. I wish I would go up in there and buy some more Christmas stuff. Now, Christmas home decor, fine. I don't have a lot of that, but I don't need it. I don't want any more. But Christmas, like I said, look, and Christmas goes so fast. I don't myself like to start Christmas crafting until after Thanksgiving. But because you know I like to be grateful, and I'm sad I only got one great grateful blue book session up. But you could do that. I could do that all year. But what am I doing? Yeah, I just had so much. It's just so much, and this is one of the funnest times to craft. But look, I'll glue that down if I that fell. Oh, so the vantage point wasn't that bad. Probably because I zoomed in on my book. If I didn't, you'll see what I was talking about. It's not that bad. It's not that great, but it's not that bad. I guess I was complaining for nothing. Complaining for nothing. We're almost to the end. But you know what happened? The camera cut off because my camera only records for about a half hour, and sometimes I'll miss the beep, I missed the beep. I just kept on going. So I will show how my final page because I keep going. I really have a good time. I'm having fun glue booking here lately. And I also find myself, I have a page where I did off camera, wanting to just sit down, at night when I can't talk and anything because everybody's asleep. But I feel like glue booking. So I have a page on that one. I'll put that up shortly. Oh, that Merry Christmas came from a scrap from a paper pad. I have